Hi beaders, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I show you how to make a beaded bracelet for your black little dress. You can use your favorite color of beads and personalize the bracelet for your elegant evening dress. Let me know if you like this bracelet pattern in the comment below and rate it from 1 to 10. I'll love to hear what you think. If you are a beginner beader, stop the video for each step to be easier for you to follow the pattern. To make the bracelet, you need the following materials: 7mm bugle beads. I will name them BB. 11 xerox seed beads. L will name them SB. For millimeters rondel beads, I will name them simple rondels. To 0.5 millimeters or 3 millimeters round beads, and I will name them RB. Also, you need a beading thread size 12. You can use wildfire beading thread 0.15 millimeters or 9 modi. The thread length is 100 inches. Use the clasp of your choice. Let's get started. Pick up the clasp on the needle and go down on the thread with it, leaving 1 inch end of the thread. Pick up 1 SB. Make 3 knots. Go with needle through the SB. Go through the clasp. Go again through the SB. Pick up 3 SBs. Pick up 1 BB. Pick up 3 SBs. Go with needle through the SB. Go with needle through the all 3 SBs. Go through the BB. Cut off the end thread. Pick up 1 SB. Pick up 2 RBs. Pick up 1 SB. Go with needle through the BB. Go through the next SB. Go through the 2 rondels. Pick up 1 SB. Pick up 1 BB. Pick up 1 SB. Go with needle through both rondel beads. Go through SB. Go through the BB. Pick up one SB. Pick up to RBs. Pick up one SB. Go with needle through the BB. Go through the ESB. Go through both rondel beads. Pick up one SB. Pick up one BB. Pick up one SB. Go through both rondel beads. Go through SB. Go through BB. Continue adding beads as I shown. My bracelet length is 7 inches without the clasps. To make the bracelet, I use 46 rondel beads and 46 round beads. Pick up 7 SBs. Go through BB. Go with needle through the first 4 SBs. Add the clasp. Go with needle through the middle SB. Go through the clasp. Again, go through the top SB. Go through the next 3 SBs. Go through the BB. Go through the next SB. Pick up 1 RB. Go through the next SB. Go through the BB. Go through the SB. Pick up 1 RB. Go through the SB. Go through the BB. Go through the SB. Pick up 1 RB. Go through the SB. Go through the BB. Go through the SB. Continue adding 1 round bead at the time until you reach the end of the bracelet. Continue adding round beads until you finish making the bracelet. Add the last round bead. Go through the SB. Get to knots. Go through the BB. Go through the SB and RB. Get again to knots. Go through the BB. Cut off the thread. Thanks for watching and have fun beading.